Hello. What is MAIA Cloud? It is a platform as a service solution that allows you to remotely manage different devices connected to your UWP 4.0 module, develop energy management and building automation solutions by connecting and configuring the relevant items. MAIA Cloud is a software platform designed for connecting users and machines through internet. It includes all is needed for central supervision of energy monitoring and building automation installations, offering the best platform for teleservice and telecontrol. What do you need to connect and implement MAIA in your configuration with UWP 4.0? You need a computer with an internet connection. The activation key you will find in your UWP 4.0 box. Keep it handy, you will need it later. Once registered, you receive an email where you must confirm your registration. Click the link included in the email to enable your profile. Then, you can log in to the MAIA Cloud web portal with your credentials. After the registration, the organization is created with a trial license. Once the MAIA Cloud sign-up process is completed, the system will automatically assign the new organization a standard license composed by 50 users, 50 devices, 50 sub-organizations, 1 VPN month. After the first login, you will see the main dashboard of MAIA Cloud. Let's see how easy it is to activate MAIA on your UWP 4.0. How to activate your devices. After adding UWP to the organization, you can assign credits to our device. Let's see how. If you need more info, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell to stay updated with our latest content. Thanks for watching. Until next time.